Does your astrological chart predict your love life? Could it really be that that's true? Carol Allen is with me as one of the Love Library giveaway contributors, and I am excited to have her tell you about the astrological aspects of love. Carol, thank you for being here.
Oh my gosh, thank you so much, Joanna. Of course, your astrological chart predicts your love life. I mean, come on. And I know that sounds crazy, but you know, we've all, of course, heard of sun signs and compatibility and all that stuff. But there is so much more to it. And I actually practice a kind of astrology that's been around for centuries and millennia, actually, that has been used for forever to arrange marriages. And it's still to this day used overwhelmingly by the majority in India to arrange marriages. It's actually Indian astrology. Okay. And so they have these techniques that help to guarantee that you're not making the biggest mistake of your life. Because if you can imagine marrying somebody you've met maybe once or twice, and maybe your parents have met his parents once or twice, and you can't get divorced without some huge social scandal that like ruins your life, right? You need some kind of strategy and some kind of leg up beyond your own limited perspective, right? So it's extremely powerful and extremely relevant to life today. Yeah. So yes.
Okay. Awesome.
Answer is yes.
Awesome. So it just,
I have a kitten here just to back me up.
Yes, look at the kitten. Oh my gosh. And so what Carol's talking about, she actually can teach you about how to open up this in the gift that she has provided in the Love Library. And you might be going, well, what's the Love Library? The Love Library is actually a giveaway where more than 30 experts, including Carol, have come together to offer you their programs, their wisdom, their meditations, their workbooks, different gifts that will help you transform your love life. And Carol is the only astrologer that is in the giveaway. And she's been in this for 5 years. This is our 5th giveaway, and Carol's been here every time.
I know, you're so nice to me. Thank you.
Absolutely. I love having you, and I love having your gifts because it's another aspect that we don't often pay a lot of attention to. And right. I think, as you were saying, what a big difference it can make.
Right.
So what's the name of the gift? Tell people what the name of the gift is.
So it's called the 5 Astrological Archetypes of Relationships. And it's a little ebook that explains these combinations that I kept seeing again and again and again in the charts of people who were really trying to figure out their love lives. And it got so I could look at a glance and know what their main strengths were, what their main weaknesses were, what their greatest challenges in love were, and really if they were likely single or not. And so I walk you through the 5 archetypes, and then each one comes with a prescription, right? So I like to say your chart is a little bit like looking at your DNA. It shows the potentials and possibilities, but you have a lot of free will, of course. And you can work to your strengths, and you can leverage your gifts, or you can passively, lazily lean into your weaknesses and then be super bitter and angry about it, right? These are the choices we have as humans. And so there's a prescription for each of the archetypes, and hopefully a lot of hope and inspiration. And then it comes with a little bonus ebook called Shazam! Ancient Spiritual Tricks and Tips to Ramp Up Your Love Life. And from ancient India are all these meditations, mantras, rituals, things you can do to open your heart, help clear out your inner blocks to love, and help attract to you your ideal other. That's what they call it in the ancient books, your ideal other. And then, of course, if you get all of that, you also get a kitten because it's spring and Los Angeles is overrun, and my house at the moment is overrun. So, so the first 5 customers get a free kitten.
There we go. And they're so full of love. So visit the Love Library at lovelibrarygiveaway.com and be sure to go and download. When you get to lovelibrarygiveaway.com, it's going to tell you exactly what you need to do to get your access pass. And then go download Carol's gift and discover that archetype for you. And then look at all the other amazing gifts that are there that will absolutely support you in transforming your love life into something much happier, much more soulful, and much more powerful.
Yeah, you have an amazing lineup this year, and I mean, you always do, but there's some really big names this year and some really great offerings, and they cover really everything, including how to break up with peace and how to date, how to flirt, all that fun stuff. So there's really something for everyone, and I'm really, like I said, I'm really grateful to be there, and I'm so honored and moved to share this ancient, unbelievable technology that is still so helpful to us today. And it's way beyond anything most people have heard about astrology. It's just way beyond like what sign you are, or what sign you supposedly get along with. And it can bring you a lot of peace of mind. So thank you for letting me share, Joanna.
Oh, sorry. And I didn't mean to talk over you. I just was going to say, like, that's the distinction with you that has always fascinated me, because you bring it from a different perspective. That deep. Yeah. So thank you so much for being here. Come visit the library, and we will see you soon. And
whoop, whoop.
Carol, woo, bye kitties.
And there's nothing to return, and there's no late fees.
Absolutely not. Simple, easy, download, fill your library now.